Hello my friends, welcome back. Well, this video is going to be a little bit different. You see, just as I was getting into the swing of things with adding consistent videos, making small batches for my channel on my charming little table by the window, and getting more orders out the door for the holidays, the universe had bigger plans for me. Let's get started. I'll be honest, it's been a bit of a scramble this year, trying to get everything ready for the holiday season. Having a small business definitely has its rewards, but it also comes with its sudden challenges. As I'm filming this video today, I found out that our main courier, Canada Post, has finally decided to go on strike. And although I want what's best for our hardworking postal workers, I can't help but think of all the small businesses that will be suffering from this sudden decision during this time of year. And speaking of hardworking, the very next day, my computer decided it was also time to just call it quits and shut down. So, with a backup of orders and a computer in the repair shop, what is a girl to do but to rebatch some soap for gifts, using a few bars that I made that didn't quite turn out the way I was expecting. And guess what? That didn't turn out either. Which you will see shortly. Find my grater, so I ended up chopping it up instead. Which seemed like a good idea at the time. Okay, we can work with this. My camera almost fell into the soap as I was filming. The soap ended up seizing in the end from the fragrance. Ugh. My gosh, what a week. I mean, it's not the worst, right? At this point, it was just time for me to walk away, take a break, and get lost in the woods. I know my friends will still accept my soap. The post will start up again. My computer will get fixed, and it did. I'm currently recording the rest of this video. Being here is a reminder that life takes on many twists and turns, and not everything is in our control. But that eventually, everything grows back despite of those twists and turns, and that everything is going to be okay. I'll see you soon.